Good morning. And I want to apologize for my hoodie because I have it on because it's very, 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 very cold. And they turned our heat off where we are. So I want to go into 1 Kings and 2 Kings. If you read the Kings in the Bible, it'll explain that the kings sometimes did what they wanted to do. They didn't ask God, or they didn't listen to God. So then they had war. And things went wrong. So I just want to explain to you that when you're figuring something out, make sure you ask God. So, like, say you're going to get a new job, or you're going to get married, or going to buy a house. Those are very important things, and you have to ask God, is this a job I need to be in? Is this the house I'm going to be living in? Is this the person that I want to marry? Is he or she of God? Do you both pray? Do you both fast? Do you both understand the Bible? Understand the words, what God has written. So it's very important to ask God for guidance, and just say, God, please, what do I do today? What do I do tomorrow? But always think about today, okay? So if you're going to buy that house today, are you going to go get married today? You have to ask God, is this where you want me to be? Okay? All right. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Have a good day.